If you're currently holding TVGN, well, ladies and gentlemen, I have great news for you. This thing looks as though that it is shaping up for another short cover here tomorrow, thanks to today's aftermarket price action. If you have been keeping up with the channel, and if you were a part of the Discord, then you are well aware that we called this thing over in the Discord for the entry price of 30 cents. Back on October 10th for the price target being 34 cents plus. We reached and breached that, set a new one at 78 cents, set another one at 95 cents, and it goes on, reaching and breaching each and every price target. And I have yet another price target for you out there, ladies and gentlemen, so stick around. We got a lot to talk about, but before we do so, let's face it, you can be anywhere in the world right now, but you're here with me, Grandmaster-OBI. Seems as though that we may see a wild ride here tomorrow for TVGN. After all, ladies and gentlemen, with the huge total trading volume here today of 134 million so far, and coming off of yesterday of only 7.55 million, we expect to see an aggressive short selling day for sure, even though today was a short sale restriction day for TVGN. It was a lot of uptick opportunity for those short orders to be filled here, even more so on the 1 minute chart, which means we do not expect a shortage in the total short volume. But what we do expect is a low total short sale ratio for sure here in TVGN in comparison to what we see here on these days. As you guys can see here, 8.79%. That's an aggressive short selling day. 8 here, 11 here. I do feel as though that we're going to see numbers below 8, between 6 and 4% here, due to today was an SSR day. But with that being said, it was a lot of uptick opportunity for those short positions to be taken here throughout today's trading, and we do ultimately see that here on the intraday chart. Very interesting. As you guys can see here, we do see a wave of outflow here on the extra large here, a pivot, slight pivot here, which means today's aftermarket buying pressure is ultimately going to put selling pressure, covering pressure on those short positions that is being swung over here on tomorrow's trading, basically carried over. And that is the formula for a short cover wave, ladies and gentlemen. We haven't gotten the short sell analysis just yet here in TVGN, but it does come in here on Moomoo each and every day around 10 p.m. Central Time, and this is a advantage that they really do have over other trading platforms like Webull, TD Ameritrade, and Robinhood, due to the fact that you don't get this type of data, and you need this when you're looking for short cover situations like TVGN is currently in. If we take a brief look and go back to the day chart, as you guys can see here, we alerted this thing back on the 10th, which was this day here, before the actual big pop. And these are home run plays that you can get, ladies and gentlemen. All you have to do is drop down in that description below, click that Discord link, and let the gains begin from there. But if we take a brief look and just check out those potential gains, you could have returned over 800% on that alert, okay? And it has more room to run. I do feel as though that TVGN will reach and breach those $3.20 levels here tomorrow in the likelihood of a short cover wave. Now, if we do see this buying pressure actually deflate early off in the pre-market, then that short cover wave likelihood does deflate pretty quickly. But if this buying pressure stays around and we actually see this thing open here above 297, then it's more than likely we're going to see this thing get out of hand towards those $3.20 plus levels. So again, if you haven't already, guys, make sure you get over to my main YouTube channel. I will be going live here Friday, 1 p.m. Central Time. Friday is historically my best trading days. I'm just letting you know that now. My best alerts is on Friday. You do not want to miss this live stream. It will be posted at the end of this video, and I'm gone.